guys are trying to apply for the care credit card, then you guys have to have some type of credit history. If you guys don't have a lot of history, they may not be able to pre-qualify you for that credit card. If you can, try to see if you can be added as an authorized user on one of your parents' card, a family member card, because that can help you get that history. But for some reason you can't get that credit card, try to see if you can just add your own history on with other credit cards and wait a few months to try to see if you can pre-qualify for it. You can come back literally every month and try to see if you can pre-qualify for that credit card again, because that may be your best bet. But you have to have some type of history for them to be able to pre-qualify you. Now let me show you guys that care credit card, because down with the basics, the care credit, y'all trying to get some surgery done. This is like that basic card. People want these new accounts. This is a good one. That's with Synchrony Bank. They're going to pre-qualify you using your TransUnion credit report, but you need to have some type of history. Okay, now if you only have 1 or 2 accounts, it's still going to probably be hard. Try to get some more accounts added to your credit report so that you guys can later on be approved for this credit card. So those are the different things that they help with. You can click right here on get started and then pick what profession you're trying to get the account for. I had LASIK eye surgery, so you guys can go ahead and click the LASIK, get started. And then this is going to be their pre-qualification. But again, you have to have some type of credit to be able to pre-qualify for this credit card. You can come back every month and fill this out and see if they can pre-qualify you. Okay. So your estimated procedure amount, I would say put more than you really need. If you know yours is 5,000, put 8, because they may approve you for more or they may approve you for less. But play bargaining with them. Put your first and last name on here, your address. If you got a middle initial, don't forget to put that too. Let me put that in there. Put your address, your city, state, and zip code, your housing situation, whether you own, other, or rent. And then go ahead and put your phone number on there, your email address, social security number, your date of birth, and then your monthly net income from all sources. So your net income. I hate when companies ask your net income, because I mean, especially if you're self-employed, you can't put, you got to put how much after all of your expenses. But pre-qualifying does not impact your credit score, so you guys can try this literally every month to try to see if you can pre-qualify for a credit card with them. So at first you don't succeed, pick yourself up, try again every month. Okay, try every month, about every 30 to 35 days, try to see if you can pre-qualify again, because you guys are going to be surprised. I remember when I was on the rebuilding stage with my credit, I tried to get a credit card. They kept denying me. And I'm like, are you kidding me? But then I just kept trying. And finally they said, hey, yeah, we can give you one. I was like, yeah, right. So you just got to keep trying. Just literally keep trying, because they may say yes. Okay. They may say yes.